This is LA. Welcome to my humble abode. Let's get through this door. These are stairs made of wood. Please don't burn down. I live on the 3rd floor. I carry my 170-pound bicycle up 3 flights of stairs at least twice a week. Sometimes when I go outside. I water my plants when they ask me for it. Sometimes I forget, and then I look over and they look sad. So I give them what they need. This is my couch. Okay, what else? Let's look out the window. Oh, there's a fan, which is necessary. In LA, the temperatures reach about 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think equates to about 400 degrees Celsius. And I don't have an air conditioner, so fans are vital. I use a Wacom tablet and an iMac from about 2013. I got a space where I draw stuff, or draw things. I got a couple drawers with other stuff. Hey, look at my front door. It's not very even. It's an old apartment, but I don't think that makes up for it. Everyone should have a skateboard under their desk. You can put your feet on it and move your legs so your blood keeps flowing when you're on your computer for 6 months straight. I draw and write some stuff, then I look out the window and think about how lonely the world is. Here's an iPad. There's my bicycle, previously mentioned. Very heavy stuff. That plant falls over because it only grows to one side. This is my apartment. I hope you love it.